very quick vegetable makhani, that too in a healthy style. So let's get going. I have taken peas, potatoes, cauliflowers and carrots. You can add any other vegetable of your choice too. I'm keeping a pan on a high flame, and once it's well heated, I will add some cumin seeds to it. Once the cumin seeds start splattering, add all the washed and wet vegetables, chili flakes, salt. Mix well, cover and lower the flame. In the meantime, in a bowl, take all-purpose flour, ketchup, cream, milk. Mix very well so that there are no lumps and keep aside. Cook these fine chopped vegetables for about 4 to 5 minutes. While cooking the vegetables, make sure there is moisture in the pan, and if not, then sprinkle some water on top. After about 5 minutes, when the vegetables are tender, add the milk and the cream mixture to it. Mix well. Mix it well. Keep it covered just for 1 minute and it's ready. Made in a jiffy, very delicious preparation. Please do try this. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. See you next time.